Hello, it's me, Philip. I've been out and I've bought a mix of hardware, tech, gadgets. This was offered to me for £20. There's a box with some cables in. There's a box with 3 old pong style games in. There's a rack of components here which seem to be mostly Atari stuff. There's another few bits and pieces which I'll show you a bit later on, but I'm just going to have a look through this first and see what's in here. Now, there's a good chance I don't know what most of this stuff is, so if you do know what it is, let us know in the comments section. So that's easy enough. We've got some felt for the switches. We've got some screws suitable for, is that CX40 sticks? Not sure what they are. I think that's probably the old Atari joysticks. Got some old felt pads. These look like buttons. What does that say? 28. There's a SKU number there, but they're just like, they look like tiny little buttons. We've got some of these Atari switches by the looks of it. And what does that say? Atari VCS screws. Rubber feet. These are some 2K2 ohm resistors, 3K3 1/4 watt resistor. I think these are just phono. Yeah, old phono connectors. Red, white, red and yellow. These are some covers. Presumably that's where the joysticks go. Right, this one says Atari Junior capacitors. So all sorts of capacitors in there. Atari Junior switches. Atari Junior case parts. They might come in handy at some point. I don't know what these are. That says Atari Junior Mylars. I don't know what a Mylar is. They just look like a ribbon cable. That says little Atari logo on there, 1983. Atari Junior composite mod kit. Resistors, transistors, and 7805. Can I get that one open? Take that one out. These are strange little switches. That looks like a joystick port. Switches and joystick ports. Oh, he told us what that was for, but I can't remember what he said it was. Composite mod kit thing, I think. Some big caps. 16 volt, 2200 microfarads. They'll be a good make from RS Components, I would think. Empty. What's this? Atari Pico. That must be an abandoned project, I think. What are them? I don't know what they are. They've got 3 prongs at one end. They've got a thread here. I don't know. Something to do with Atari. Some more capacitors in there. I wonder what that's for. It's got 2 of them and 2 little screwdrivers, so it's a kit for something. That's just a pack of screws, another pack of screws, and a male joystick connector perhaps. Is it one of them D things? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, D9. Some alligator clips and so we've got RCA, 2 alligators. I wonder what he's used that for. What can you use that for? He's took the time to make it, so it must have been useful to him. Sinclair rubber feet pack 4. Spectrum power supply end plug. What are these? These just look like micro switches, I think. Yeah. Thermal adhesive tape. Somebody. Is this it? I don't know what that is. That looks like it. You peel it off. Ideal for heat sinks. Ideal for heat sinks. Strong bonding cut to size. 80 by 80. double-sided microfiberglass enforced. Don't know. Sticky pads. Ah. What? I thought they were nut drivers, but yeah, they are shaped to be a nut driver. Cool. Some bolts. M3x12 nuts. Empty, 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 and the last one at the bottom is some big caps, some wire, another one of those nut things which went in there. Oh, there's lots of circuit boards. They might come in handy for something. I think that's it. A random piece of heatsink attached to a 7805. That's a nice cable. Right. I don't know where I'm going to put all this stuff. That's just the first. That's just the first thing. He also gave us a Raspberry Pi Zero. I'll zoom in. So I've got a Raspberry Pi Zero, free with issue 40 of the Magpie. Another Raspberry Pi Zero, I think. Yep. Slightly different one, that one. Raspberry Pi Zero V1.1 0W. So there's two of them, whatever this one is. Case, HDMI, what's that? HDMI adapter and USB adapter. Something else in here. These are just capacitors, a load of resistors, capacitors, and more resistors. And you know what? With all of these capacitors, the one I want won't be in here. And lastly is this. I haven't looked at this yet. DIY kit. DIY AI kit. Made with Google. You got a magazine. That must make up a case. Blimey, what's this? It says voice hat. Made by you with Google. Yes. A speaker. A giant button. Some more bits and bobs. So I don't know. I've paid, like I say, £20. There are some old, like pong style consoles. There's 3 of them, which may or may not be working. But I'm hoping, just for the components alone, that I haven't wasted my money. What do you think? It's these Raspberry Pis that I was more interested in, I think. So that's it for today's video. That's my deal for today. £20 for all of that. If there's something that you've seen that you know what it's for, especially the Atari stuff, give us a shout out in the comment section and let us know. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.